Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create a courier website or shipping website, the one you know about. So this website, we're going to check the prices on TeamForest. You can see the price here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this website, install it perfectly on your server, and then also I'm going to tell you guys how to get this website at affordable price instead of this price. So before that, I would want us to access the website from the TeamForest first. So if you click here now, we're going to go to the admin panel, but this is the demo version of it. It's not as when you've installed it on your server. So this is the demo admin dashboard. This is the dashboard here. So the dashboard, now you have the main dashboard interface. You have your blog, you have your pages, you have your menus, your widgets, and then your users. So over here you can see all the users that has signed up on your website. So you get to see them. You can log in and see the users. From here you can log in the user account. From this area you can log into user accounts. So you can give the users access in this area. You see how beautiful the website is. So exactly all these things you're going to see it when you upload your script to a live server. So over here you have access control level, you have your shipments, so you can check delivered, approved, requested pickup, all shipments. Let's see delivered shipments. You click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the list of delivered shipments on the website. So on this area you can click and track this shipments. Remember that all these things are customizable. You can customize your own tracking number. This is just for a demo purpose. So once you install it on your live server, you can just mess around with it and then customize everything to your own taste. If you have a company, you can put your company logo. You can customize everything here to have your company identity. So over here you can see the live tracking of this, the shipping record. You see the day they created the shipment ready to be shipped out, in process, and then out of delivery, and then delivered. Everything has been arranged for you. Your own is just to buy the script and put it on a live server. So if you're this kind of company that wants to keep record of what you do, how you do your shipment, this video is for you. So you can also print an invoice here. You can send the invoice to your clients for them to know that their shipment is out. So over here you can change your logo for this invoice. Once you change your logo on the website, all the logo automatically changes both on the invoice. So this is it about this script. So let me teach you guys how to install this script on your server. So what we're going to do now is for us to go to our cPanel. Okay, this is our cPanel. What we're going to do now is to click on and upload. But before we do that, if you don't know how to get to this area, I am going to link a video on the description of this video. So before you watch this, you better still have to click on the video on that description to watch it, to know how to get your domain name, your hosting, and how to use your cPanel. But if you know how to do all this, then you don't have to worry yourself about watching the video. You just get your domain name and host it, and then upload your script live on your server. So over here, I'm using a subdomain for this tutorial, which I'm already opened to my file manager and ready to upload the script. What I'm going to do now is for me to click on this upload icon here. Clicking on the upload icon, I'm going to look for the script and then drag and drop here. So over here, we're going to wait for the script to upload successfully. So before we do that, we need to go back to our cPanel and right click and open a new tab so we can create our database. So we are creating a database, but we're going to look for the database. If you don't have the strength to scroll down to look for database here, we're going to look for database here manually though. So here that indicates databases. So we click on this database wizard. But if you want to go very fast to database, you can equally use the search tool and just write database wizard. So you click on it, it will take you to this area. So while we're waiting for our file to upload, we are going to create a database account for this tutorial. So what we're going to create, we're going to use Cargo Pro DB. So this Cargo Pro DB is going to be our database name, and it's also going to be our database username, and also it's going to be our database password. So I just don't want to use plenty characters. I just want to be on a uniform area. So using all the same thing at the same time, it works very perfectly and it doesn't stress me out. So I don't know what works for you, but at some point you can generate password and then create it, but it doesn't really matter once you upload the file is active. Since nobody is creating it with you, you are just all by yourself creating it. So I'm doing this for this tutorial purposes, so it doesn't stress me. So what we're going to do here is create user and then click on this all privileges and make changes. So while we've created this, we need to go back and check if our file has uploaded successfully. And it's still loading. I think the reason why it's slow is because the file megabyte it's high a bit. That is why. So we're going to wait for it to load up. And also, as we are waiting for it, if you've not subscribed to our channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because in this channel we drop awesome videos that's going to help you out as a beginner. If you don't have any experience in web creation, this channel is going to help you out and also make you some money, because our motto on this channel is for you to learn and earn money after learning. So you learn, and in the process of you learning, you are making money also. So if you've not subscribed, please and please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for you to be the first person to know that we've dropped awesome videos like this. So let's head back and check if our file is done. Okay, we still have more time to spend here. So we're going to wait for it to upload. Okay, our file has been uploaded. So what we're going to do now is for us to go back to the file manager and reload. So after reloading, you get to see that the file you just uploaded will appear here. So what we're going to do here now is for us to right click and extract. So after extracting this file, we're going to go live. We're going to go live after extracting this file. We're going to delete this first before going live. Click on delete and copy the URL. Copying this URL, we're going live. We'll go live on the website. So once you copy the URL and paste it on a new tab to browse the website, this is what they're going to show you. So this is the installation guide that you use to upload this awesome website on your server. So over here now, you get to see that you will need to prepare the following information before proceeding: your code, your database name, your database username, your password, your database host's name. So what we're going to do now is to click on next. Clicking on next now, they're giving you the permissions that you need to enable, and I'm seeing that everything is looking good here. So I'm going to click on next again. So over here is where we put in our database information. So the host is already on this 127.00.01. That is the code for a local host. So we're not going to tamper to that code. We're going to leave it that way. So what we need to do is just to copy our database name and go back to the installation steps. So we'll paste our database name here, and we're going to paste our database username here, and we're going to paste our database password here. So after doing that, you don't have to do anything here again. We'll click on next. So clicking on next, you see your database is successfully connected. Now what we're going to do is for us to import our SQL file to our PHP MyAdmin. So you click on import SQL over here, and then we're going to wait for it to import before we can proceed to the next stage. So you have successfully completed the installation process. Please log in to continue the process. So over here, they are going to give you your admin email and admin password. So it's left for you to change the email when you are done. So we're going to click on this, log into the admin panel. So click on it. So logging into the admin panel, your admin email is going to be here already. So what you need to do is to put in the password given to you and log in. So this is exactly the same dashboard I showed you guys earlier. And if you visit the website here, you get to see that the website is not live. Now they drop a note for you here for you to connect the website. So if you are the owner of this website, please start building your website from the theme settings. You can use the homepage builder, or you can directly import any demo from the predefined demos provided in the activated theme. Now, the fun part of this script is that you can build by yourself. You can build by yourself. You can create your own design by yourself. But if you feel like you don't have the time to do that, they already have a demo template for you. So if we click here now, it's taking us straight to our admin settings. So we get here now, you can see the easy ship theme here. So what you need to do is just to click on this import. They will ask you, you said yes. So we have successfully imported our demo content. So if you refresh here now, you are going to see that what you just imported has appeared on this area. So this is a demo content right now. But remember that you can create your own content using this homepage, using this header, footer, styling. If you have any additional CSS, you can add it to it. But in this video, I'm not doing that. So we're going to use already previewed template, which is this very one that I have imported on the website. So over here is the dashboard, the blog, the pages, the menus, the widgets, like I showed you earlier. So what I want to show you guys here is on the general settings. So if you click on this settings area, you go to general settings. On general settings, you get to see that this is where you change a lot of things. This is where you change your company name. This is where you change your system logo, your loading logo, and your login page logo, your website title. Then you put your website description here. Then you put SEO keywords on your website here too. So your website logo here, and then your social media image here. So this social media image is those ones that they will appear on the footer side of your website here. So you can put your time zone, your country code, and then you update. So also, this settings area is where you set a lot of things on the shipment area. So like you want to put your shipment settings, you click on here. You click on the shipment settings, you get to see pickup mission done with shipment fees received. So you have to tick and untick what you don't want on this area. You have to tick and untick what you don't want on this side. So going down, you get to see the payment settings here. So the good part of it is that this script accepts PayPal payments, Paystack activation, like the payment method that you think it's not going to work in Nigeria or in any other country you are in. It is here and it's going to work for you. It's going to work for you. Paystack works pretty good here in this country, and it's going to be very, very helpful for you that it's thinking of creating something like this for your business or for your company. So here, over here, your drivers are to have their own personal account. They are to have their own personal account on this area. They are to have their own personal account, so you can calculate how many shipments they've made using their manifest on this on the admin area. So over here you see shipment teams. Now the shipment teams, your branches, your customers, your drivers. So you monitor every single person that works for you through your admin area. Through your admin area, you monitor every single person that works for you through your admin area. You monitor all the activities. And then this branches area now, you monitor how many shipments goes to this direction, how many is going to this direction, how many is going to this direction. So it's very, 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 very easy for you to know how to navigate your jobs. So this is it about this template and this script. If you are interested in getting something like this, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number on the description of this video, so you can contact me to discuss about getting the script. Remember, I told you the current amount is this, but I'm giving it out to you guys for an affordable price. So if you are interested, please hit me up. I'm always ready to serve you guys. Thank you and have a wonderful day, guys.